If we surrender 100%, Yetam mam prapajate tam sataiva bhajamyam mama vardhan vartante manasa partasarvasham. Krishna says, as you surrender, I reward you. You surrender 100% reward. Like this. In 1 second, Prabhupada said, one disciple asked Prabhupada, how long will it take to become Krishna conscious? Because this is the Krishna consciousness movement. And I've been moving for some time. I've been moving for some time, but I don't seem to be getting very far. I'm moving on like a little mouse and what they call a treadmill. A little metal thing with bars, a little circle. And the mouse is running, but the circle keeps turning. And it's like a little circle like this. He's in a cage. And the mouse is sitting in the middle of the circle, and he's running, and the circle just keeps spinning. So I'm moving, but I seem to be getting nowhere. What's going on? When can I attain this perfection? And Prabhupada said, you can attain perfection in Krishna consciousness in 1 moment or in 1,000,000 lifetimes. So we want to somehow close down the gap. We don't really want to wait 1,000,000 lifetimes. Maybe 1,000, 500, 250. It's not bad. 250 lifetimes. If you go a maximum 100 years each, how much is that?
2.5 years.
2.5 years?
100 years.
If you live 20, how many lifetimes?
Or else 2,50,000.
Oh, that's too long. That's too long. Okay, well, what if we wait 100 lifetimes? 10,000 years. Oh, that's too long because our Chaitanya Sankirtan movement only lasts for 9,500 more years. Oh, we better speed up the process. We better not keep going for 100 years. Maybe 85. 80 lifetimes. It should be maybe 80 lifetimes more. 80 times, that's 8,000. Then we still have time, and then we can get in there and still get some mercy. Huh? Yeah, one. It should be one. It can be one. It's all possible. It's up to us. It's not up to the teacher. It's not up to the teacher whether we pass the course or not. He's teaching perfectly. He's giving the teaching. But if we don't come to class and we don't take notes and we don't study and we don't apply ourselves to the subject matter, who fails? The teacher or the student? The student. So Krishna is doing his part as usual. He's supplying everything. And he gives so many tests, many tests. This school has too many tests. It's one of those kind of expensive schools. They do too many tests, too many exams, all the time examination. But the reward is great. The reward is the greatest possible reward.